intro.
We're going to give back a bird.
Okay, so let's show the bird. Yeah, that little bird.
It's called Robin.
Some of the neighbors found him. We named him Robin. We don't know if it's a he or she. Yeah.
We're going to give it back.
Yeah, we're gonna give it back. And careful with the car.
To nature. We're going to go and get the bird. We'll be back when we're there. Yes.
I'm gonna keep recording, bro. Yeah, like
It's a little birdie now.
he threw up a bit.
Some berries. Okay.
And by threw up, I mean just like he didn't vomit. He just like spit it back out.
Hey, just kidding. We're actually going to run him again.
Yeah, and then he's just there calm. We're gonna bring him back to the park where he belongs. My dad thought we were gonna keep him.
Okay, so this is the process of us giving back a bird that injured itself. Yeah, we don't know what on its wing, and it
True.
might not fly, but at least it's safe over there. Kind of.
Should I record it upwards like this?
I don't know if you want.
Alright.
We'll be back.
Like I said, I'm gonna keep recording. Yeah, so we're just here going to the park. It's kind of crappy, but hey, it's just a park. You know, everyone trashes it. Yeah, or he looks kind of scared, but
Well, he looks happy.
yeah.
No, not really.
But with his eyes look scared.
He looks comfortable. Does he?
Yeah, he's like, hey, I tricked you people.
He looks comfortable, little comfortable guy.
Oh, my phone is out of focus. Out of focus. So where should I put it?
Let's go over there.
Alright.
Oh, this kid's there, but we can go over there.
Yo.
But he could fall down too.
True.
Where?
But he knows, wouldn't they know how to stay balanced? Yeah, we should go like right there. Because then he can go behind the tree and everything. And then it was, yeah. Yeah, he needs to learn how to fly again. Yeah, let's like hide him. Next, you know, he comes and like pays us a visit.
Okay, so we're here. We're gonna give the bird back
Yeah,
to nature. Yes.
the beautiful sunset. Sorry, like yeah, it's like a glaring in my eyes right now. Very painful. Is this better? Yeah, I think it is. Wompa womp, wompa womp. Yeah, so like, there's a glitch and it shows 3 feet for each Pokemon. But this is what it meant by scrappy. Yeah. True.
This is like, oh, I remember this.
Or, oh wait, let's go by the tether ball and test if we can fly.
Yeah.
There it is. There it is.
Okay, wait, is it recording? Yeah. Okay. So this is it. Okay, now this is it. This is a cute little bird. It's not moving. So cute. Is it okay? Oh, yes, come on, bud.
Oh, it's kind of dumb. Did it just poop? What's it doing?
I don't think
Don't judge us by we don't know any bird.
What? No, it's just a random bird. Okay, we're releasing the bird. we release
Like-
the bird and then
Yeah, like, but where are we gonna put it overnight then?
yeah, maybe I could put it in my room.
Sure, but then if it gets too hot,
Yeah, it really gets too hot.
yeah.
So we're kind of like debating.
Oh, it will make a move. Oh. Like, is it afraid that it's not gonna fly away, or it can?
Oh, so cute, it's making little trippy noises.
Or is it one of those friendly birds?
I think it is. Well, it looks really cute.
Or is it because we put him in the tall grass? Okay, wait, don't get so close. Let's observe from far away. Is it still there? Of course it's still
I
there.
got to worry. There we go. Can you see that bad graphic?
Poor little guy.
She.
We're just like seeing. We took care of this like bird, but we're not gonna touch it because we're gonna see if it can fly or not. Yeah, because it's probably scared, and we're just probably like gonna like release it. It's just we don't know if it can fly or not, or it's just waiting for us to go.
Wait, let's have to go back. Swim back.
Oh, okay.
Wait.
Right over there. He's kind of hiding from us.
I don't know. Don't get too close.
Yeah, it's like we don't know. Like I don't know. Like we can't keep it in our houses because our houses it tends to overheat, and if it gets too hot, it's bad for it.
Or is it like gonna hide in here?
Can we put it over there? Yeah. But what about the blackberry bushes?
Maybe. Yeah, we already did.